Okay, so somebody passed the shirt down to me. I'm thinking my brother, but I'm not sure. So
I'm not sure if I'm doing it right, but you see these stains on the shirt, right? We don't know how it got there, but let's try fixing it. Or rather, experiment with them.
let's cook them.
So today, let's play with stains by following the Surf Excel ad campaign, Dark Achhe Hai, or Karan Nalladana. Our stains today are tea and some Korean noodles. And while tea was in the making, I also doodled some drawings for my idea. Well, I'm as clueless as you are as to how to pull this off, but how would you know if you're not willing to try? Anyway, once the doodling was done, I prepared the space for some stainful fun. So waited the tea to cool off. Oh, by the way, I made it super strong so that the stains are also dark. I'm using a strainer and a spoon for the art that's about to happen. And my rough idea is to fill the affected area with tea stains that has a naturally spilled tea effect and looks effortless. Now that it's done, let's let the shirt dry and meanwhile cook my most favorite packaged Korean noodles, Nissin Yeomcheong noodles. Fun fact, I started learning Korean recently and I actually read the label on the noodles and that's what it says. So once the noodles was cooked and the spice mix and oil were combined, mix and it's time to do the doodle. I think we are running out of time, so guess what is going to be the end result and wait to see the final part of Stainful Fun. Until then, bye bye.